the aluminum foil duct and stretch the retractable aluminum foil duct. Connect one end of the aluminum foil air duct to the exhaust port of the machine and tighten the clamp with a screwdriver. Connect the other end of the aluminum foil air duct to the air inlet of the fan and tighten the clamp with a screwdriver. Place the connected fan on the windowsill with the air outlet facing outwards. Turn on the fan control switch, adjust the fan speed, and complete the installation of the duct fan. Upload drawings and start cutting. Check for smoke emission around the machine. As the cutting time increases, observe the side, back, and the front of the machine for smoke emission. Ensure that the flue exhaust effect is stable. The tool you need to use is get.dmg. Because this tool is not downloaded in the App Store, you need to authorize this tool on your computer. Find the terminal of the computer as shown in the following figure. Click the terminal to see the following interface. Input sudo spctl material disable. Enter the power on password, and then you will see System Preferences, Security, Privacy, General. To see the image below and then select any source. Double-click get.dmg. If there is a pop-up frame, please click Open. You can view a Get program. Double-click Get, then a window will pop up. Use USB to connect your Mac computer to the machine. Wait for the machine reset to finish. Then click on the image above Open. Lightburn camera collaboration instructions. Connect the attached double-end USB cable to the machine and the computer, respectively. The camera cable USB connector is connected to the USB port of the laptop. Take the drawer out of the machine. put in prepared cardboard and wood and printed corrective documents. Turn on the machine. Open the Lightburn software and select the camera control window. Open the Collaborate camera lens in the drop-down list of laser tools. Select SHU and CCM camera. Choose fisheye lens and click Next. Select honeycomb check, enabled to check whether the honeycomb panel switch is off. Click the Capture button. Place the circle pattern card in the camera view and then click Capture. Try to get the lowest score possible. 0.3 or less is ideal. When the score is 1.0 or lower, click Next to continue. If you don't get it immediately, you can recapture the current image or go back to the beginning and try it again. Many attempts might it take to figure out how to align the card with the camera to get the lowest score. As the capture continues, the image will be updated. The first 5 images are the center of the view. Then the bottom, left, right, and then the top. If the camera has a very strong fisheye effect, it may be necessary to remove the off-center image inward a bit to capture it successfully. When all the steps are complete and you are satisfied that you have a good collaboration result in an undistorted image, click Finish to save the result. Before proceed to the next step, adjust the focal length Z-axis to an appropriate position. Select the Move menu in the menu bar and change the distance to 14. Click Drop Z-axis to adjust the focal length. On the Laser Tools menu, click Collaborate Camera Alignment to enter the camera alignment page. Select Camera SHUN CCM. When the camera screen is displayed, click Next. Adjust parameters as prompted. Adjust materials thickness to 3, fill speed to 100, fill power to 25, lens speed to 30, and finally lens power to 25. Click the Frame button to observe the printed range of the machine and see if it is placed on the board. After confirming the correct range, click the Start button to start printing. Wait for the machine to finish printing. Click the Next button to enter the next page. Click the Capture Image button and the camera picture will appear on the right side of the page. After confirming, click Next. According to the prompts on the page, click the center point marked with the symbol 1, 2, 3, 4. Make click to generate the cross symbol with the screen cross line as far as possible overlap. Finally, a standard square will be formed. Click Next to align the camera. Select camera control to enter the camera setting page. Click the Update Overlap button to upload the camera image to the processing page. Draw a random graph on the processing page and process it. To test the effect of camera collaboration, if the deviation between the processed page and actual processed graph is within 1 to 2 mm, the camera collaboration is successful. If the deviation is too large, repeat the camera collaboration steps. How to add and select materials. Open the Material button on the top left corner of the cloud. Click Add to load the Add Material screen. In the Add Material screen, click Confirm after adding the appropriate parameters. Display success. Click OK. The material will have the material you added. Select material. Select the graphic to be processed. Click Material. And locate the added material and click. Check the parameter settings. The parameters have been added successfully.